I think this chat robot would help around 95% queries of a common man related to COVID-19. Maybe it is the latest update or the latest count or any like symptom checker and all that. So I
Yes.
think chatbot could play a big role in combating the COVID-19, because I am again saying doctors are needed everywhere because we have to combat COVID-19. So I think telemedicine would not be the only option because we have the limited number of doctors. But I think the chatbot would be very supported and very would be prove very beneficial even in the coming years for any coronavirus, any pandemic.
Hi everyone and welcome to Engati Engage. We have the pleasure of welcoming Onkar Batra to our interview series. I am Drishti Shah from the Engati team, and let's begin with just a quick intro of Engati. Engati is the world's leading multilingual no-code chatbot platform, available across 14 channels with 25,000 bots created across 186 countries in every domain and use case. We run the Engati blog and video channel, which receives upwards of 300,000 visitors annually. And now for our guest, Onkar Batra has recently got India's most prestigious and highest civilian award for children, that is National Child Award 2020 by President of India. 14 years of age, Onkar is a professional web developer and author, creating modern and responsive designs for web and write-ups in the form of books, mostly based on science and paranormal. He is the founder of two brands, namely Batra Technologies and United India Publishing. He started his national and international journey with his debut book, When the Time Stops, which led him to achieve many awards, including World Records Best Author of the Year. And this is just the beginning. Onkar has won many awards and recognitions and is a pride of state of Jammu and Kashmir, a great speaker and an amazing student. When everyone is contributing their share of help in the recent COVID-19 crisis, Onkar built the COVID Care Jammu website to help people of J&K connect with doctors and medical support for coronavirus related issues. So hi Onkar, we are really thrilled to have you on Engati.
Thank you.
So starting with the first question that we have for you is, what inspired you to create the COVID Cares Jammu website?
Basically, as you said that I am a professional web developer. So what I think, because in our Sikh community, there's thing called Nishkam Seva. That means the seva for the community, for the mankind without any profit. So I just want to follow my religion, my community, because it's not basic on religion. It's really humanity and mankind.
Yes.
So basically, I want to do everything for mankind, what I can do. So it's a noble cause, COVID-19. So what I think, because I can't go out from my home, because is it stay home, stay safe. So that's why I thought do something what I can from my home, and I developed a website through which one can come out from this corona crisis.
Right. That is a really good thought, Onkar. So how did you manage to tie up with doctors for them to interact with the site's users?
Basically, after winning the National Child Award, I got a media profile. I got a high media profile.
Yeah.
So I got contact with many media personalities, even including many doctors and actors from our state, even from some national. So I called my media partner Infobug. So she gave me the numbers of many doctors, volunteers, even the chief medical officer. So I contacted them, and I am very proud to say that the doctors of my state are very collaborative. They are helping me because they help me. They are volunteering. They are even volunteering the corona patients, and also they're volunteering for the live chat supports. So I'm very happy and proud to say that our state doctors are very helpful.
Yeah. That is a good and noble cause.
Yeah.
So why did you add a chatbot on your website, and how does it help your website's visitors?
First of all, I want to like to thank the Engati chatbot because it helped me a lot really. Because when someone from your Engati chatbot, they sent me a mail and it was written about the fight against coronavirus, that robot. So when I just tested it, it was really amazing. I think because after some days of that mail when I received, I tried up for this website that I thought that I have to make this website. So what I thought, this chatbot would be the best, and I think chatbot would help the leading generation because it's like artificial intelligence. Basically, AI is not until now, but it's like an artificial intelligence for a common man. because
Yes.
through this chatbot, because it is available in many languages, it's multilingual. So through
Yes.
this, many people many help for this, and I think that chatbots could help. And even that, I want to thank again the Engati chatbot service.
Thank you so much, Onkar. Your words are really kind, and it also inspires us to, develop it and enhance it further. Thank you so much for using our Engati chatbot. So, how do you think chatbots could help combat the COVID-19 pandemic?
Basically, I think chatbot would be very supportive to like combat this COVID-19 crisis, because we have a limited number of doctors. अगर मैं बात करूं, if I talk about the live doctor chat support, the telemedicine, we have a limited number of doctors,
Right.
but this can handle the unlimited number of visitors on the site. So what
Yes.
I think this chat robot would help around 95% queries of a common man related COVID-19. Maybe it is the latest update or the latest count or any like symptom checker and all that. So I
Yes.
think chatbot could play a big role in combating the COVID-19, because I am again saying doctors are needed everywhere, because we have to combat COVID-19. So I think telemedicine would not be the only option, because we have the limited number of doctors. But I think the chatbot would be very supported and very would be proved very beneficial even in the coming years for any coronavirus, any pandemic. But I think ऐसा कुछ होना नहीं चाहिए. But still, it would help in any case.
Right. So you're already the world's youngest webmaster and theoretical author. So what's in store for you next?
Basically, I want to share one thing with you. I
Yes.
just recently got with the world's youngest EMF researcher award also from the World Record Certification Limited.
Oh wow!
So basically,
Congratulations.
thank you. So basically, I research on the electromagnetic fields. And
Okay.
what I think is that the 5G is very harmful for the human health. So I researched on that, and I have also published many research papers in the prestigious journals of the Nature, ITist, NCRT journals, etc. So basically, I want that 5G should not be there in our country, because 5G could prove very, very harmful to the human health, because the rays, the radiations, the RVU, that is
Right.
the radio waves emitted by the 5G technology would harm our brain cells, because I know the 4G, every network, even in the Gen kit is only 2G. But I am happy if there would be 4G only, but still the administration are not allowing the 4G to come. That's why there could be a breakup in the signal. So what I want is 5G should not be coming up. And recently also, just today, I got the award for the world's top 100 Sikh personalities. So I was the 47th rank that.
Congratulations, Onkar.
Thank you.
So, are there any other thoughts that you would like to share with our audience?
Yeah, I want to share one thing. Like,
Yes.
here's the COVID-19. First of all, I want to say that please visit our website www.covidcarejammu.in. So within some days, it is going to be a global network, and we are going to interact with all the global hospitals, medical colleges around the world, and it is supported by the World Humanity Commission, the World Health Organization. So we're going to build it in a big network. So also please visit the Engati chat robot of the fight against COVID-19. It's available in I think 5 to 7 languages, English, Hindi, and many languages. So I think chatbot should be supported, and one must visit there. And also, if anyone having symptoms, they can try the self-risk assessment and all that. I think it would prove very beneficial, and even the around 40 to 50% the problems regarding the COVID-19 would be solved on the chatbots only.
Thank you so much, Onkar. Your insights and your story is really inspirational, and I think our viewers will love listening to you. So, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.